What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do a video for you on how to field strip any Glock. We've got a 19X here. First thing you want to do is absolutely guarantee this thing's unloaded, okay? Drop your mag's empty, set it off to the side. You're going to check if there's anything in the chamber. Lock it back, take a look. Nothing in there, alright? So no mag. Nothing in the chamber. You're good to go. Go ahead and release your slide. Now next step, you're gonna dry fire the gun. Nobody's in here. I'm alone by myself. So point it in a safe direction and go ahead and pull the trigger. The trigger is now locked back. So next you need to pull the slide back about 1/8 of an inch. So easiest way, take your hand, place it over the slide and just squeeze. You can see it came back a little. Now you've got your slide locks, one on each side. You're gonna pull those down and release, okay? And the slide's gonna come right off. Now, there's no further disassembly for the frame. You're good there, ready to clean it. Now, the slide, you've got your recoil spring and your barrel in here. To pull your recoil spring, you're just gonna apply a little pressure, pop the spring out. Now your barrel is just setting in there. So just grab it and pull it up. So reinstallation, you're gonna take your barrel, put it back in, let it drop into place. Take your recoil spring, and install it just like that. Recoil spring is going to sit on a little ledge right here on the barrel. Okay. You're going to take your frame and you're just going to slide them together. Don't go quick, just make sure it's lined up. You're good to go. Cycle it a few times. Function check, it locked back. It resets. It resets, you're good to go, guys. Hopefully this helped you out. It's probably for most of you new Glock owners. Yeah, give it a like, subscribe. Let me know if I missed something or you want to see something else. I'll catch you guys on the next one.